Hi, today let me show you something that is totally up my valley. It is the Dutch oven from Royal Catering. If you like cooking outdoors, under the sky, well, that is something that you absolutely must have. So let me just quickly explain the concept to you. It is a pot that you put directly into the flames or over the flames using one of these, like a handle. Just need to have a 3-leg stand at least to keep it solid over the flame, or you just drop it into the ashes, cover it with hot coals, and you're cooking with it. It is made out of cast iron, which is known for its ability to conduct heat. It will spread the heat nicely and evenly all over the pot and over the dish that you are trying to cook. And it's not just a pot. You can do a lot of stuff with it, almost everything. You can do roasts with it, you can do goulash, soups, you can do even bake a cake or a bread with it with a little bit of practice. So you can do a lot of stuff with it. And everything outdoors, so that is really great. So let me just go through some of the details. Well, this particular model has 10.75 liters capacity, so you can easily feed a whole group of kids on a trip, or well, if you're with your guys in outdoors, you can feed a lot of them with it. So I was talking about versatility. And it's not just a pot. So what you can do with it, you can even use the lid. So when you put some hot coals inside, you can turn it upside down, and now you have a frying pan, a little bit of oil, and you can fry an egg with it, you can fry fish or even steak. So it is really versatile. Alright, but there's a couple of things you should know about it. First of all, the lid has a special edge, so when you lift it up, the ashes will not fall back into the pot. You get a special tool to lift the lid, because remember, this will be hot when you put it in the flame. So you just sort of hinge it up there, and you can lift it like that. So let me just put it on this side. The handle itself of the tool is made of spiral, so that disperses the heat as well, because remember, when you put it in flames, this will be hot. One piece of advice there. I always like to use one of these, like, you know, have them on hand. These are heavy welding gloves, because this tends to be really hot, especially when I was sitting for 3 or even more hours into the flame and ashes. These come in really handy. Few more advices. First of all, when you want to use it the first time, when you get it out of the box, you have to season it. The seasoning, it means you sort of create a protective coating on the bottom and on the walls of the device. So what you do, you just put a little bit of oil in it with a little bit of salt, heat it up, let the metal absorb some of the oil, and the rest you just rub it into the walls and the sides and on the surface of the pot with a piece of paper towel or a cloth. Just remember, it will be hot, so just don't use any polystyrene or, you know, synthetic fabric in it. Alright, what else? The pot also has like legs on the bottom, which makes it really easy to place it in the fireplace. Like, you know, you can make it nicely leveling it out. If you are looking for one of these, please have a look at the website, because there's few more with different capacities, so you definitely will find the one that will suit your needs. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great. And the producer made sure these will travel safe, because remember, cast iron is brittle, so they packed it really well, not in one but 2 separate cardboard boxes with lots of packaging material in it, so nothing will happen to it during transport. Also inside you will find an instruction manual, and I cannot stress enough how important that bit is, because there's a lot of useful information on how to treat the device. Remember, when it's treated right, it will hold for ages. It is a purchase that you make for a lifetime. So just remember to treat it right, and have a look at the website, the instruction manual. Alright, so that's about it. So if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.